Hi, it's Joe. Welcome to the Quilt Report. It used to be, well, let me back up a little bit. My quilts are all about 6 feet square. And what I do generally is to make them a little bit oversized and then cut them square. Cut them down, cut off the extra. It used to be I would be crawling around on the floor and trying to cobble together some foam core and long rulers and stuff to do that, and it never did work out all that square for me. So I would be a lot of measuring and following the floorboards, and it was a big challenge with my quilts. Well, last year, about a year ago, my friend Oliver DeChico designed and fabricated for me this new work table, upon which I put a grid and cutting mat, almost the whole 8-foot length of it. So now what I can do with this quilt top I'm in the middle of, I've just been working on it the last couple of days, is I can line up the edges. I can line up one edge. In this case, I've got them both lined up. Here, you can see that. See, the edge is all lined up there. And the edge is all lined up there. Where it's not lined up is along the bottom. And so what I get to do with that now is I get to use my favorite new tool, an 8-foot ruler. I ordered it from a well-known building supply company and picked it up. It's got everything I need. It's called the Savage, and it's got no slip grip. So on the back of it is, it's like the stuff that keeps your rug from slipping around. On the front of it, it's got inches marked, and it has a little 3-dimensional thing here. It's very easy to handle, and I can measure, make sure that I'm working with the right measurement here. 73 inches. That's what I want to cut, is 73 inches, so that it's just a little bit oversized, so that when I put the binding on, it'll end up at 72. All right, so I lay my non-slip ruler on there, I line it up, and I straighten it up. Here we go. Keeping my hands out of the way. It's very easy to do. I'm telling you, one of these 8-foot rulers is something every quilt maker should have. It's a great, great tool. I want to call the manufacturer and have them make one with my name on it. Joe's Special Ruler or something like that. I love this thing. All right, so now I think I got this thing square. That was my last side. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Let's see. Looking good. Beautiful. That's how I do it. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.